Wildfires rank among the most catastrophic natural disasters, able to turn entire ecosystems into ash within mere hours. What leads to these furious blazes? Lightning ranks among the top natural causes. One lightning strike can set dry plants ablaze, igniting a rapidly spreading wildfire. Volcanic eruptions may also cause wildfires, since lava flows and ash clouds can set nearby forests on fire. Prolonged droughts and strong winds establish ideal circumstances for wildfires, particularly when plant life turns dry and ignitable. Although nature contributes, most wildfires are initiated by human actions. Neglected campfires and misuse of fireworks can rapidly spiral out of control, resulting in catastrophic outcomes. Used cigarette butts are also a frequent offender. One lone ember can spark dry plant life, triggering a wildfire. Occasionally, managed agricultural fires break free from their boundaries and turn into uncontrollable wildfires. Climate change is an escalating influence, worsening the circumstances that cause wildfires. And finally, mentions of the reality of landfills within the surrounding environment. Higher temperatures dehydrate forests and grasslands, increasing their vulnerability to catching fire. Heat waves, intensified winds, and extended droughts all play a role in the rising occurrence of wildfires globally. Wildfires are a natural component of numerous ecosystems, yet human impact and climate change have increased their frequency and intensity. By comprehending their origins, we can implement measures to avert them and safeguard our planet.